Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate SolidWorks for EV cable management bracket modeling. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open SolidWorks on your computer. If this is your first time running the software, you may be prompted to activate it. You will see an activation window appear. Select the option that says Activate. Choose whether you want to activate online or offline. If you choose online activation, ensure you are connected to the internet. Enter your SolidWorks serial number in the designated field. You can find your serial number on the packaging or in the confirmation email you received. After entering the serial number, click on Next. Follow the prompts to complete the online activation process. If you opt for offline activation, select the offline option. You will need to generate an activation request file. Follow the prompts to save this file to your computer. Next, go to another computer that has internet access. Visit the SolidWorks activation website. Upload your activation request file there. The website will generate an activation file for you. Download this activation file to your computer. Return to your original computer with SolidWorks. In the offline activation window, upload the activation file you just downloaded. Click Next to complete the activation process. Once the activation is confirmed, you can start using SolidWorks. Begin by setting up a new project for the EV cable management bracket. Now you're ready to model your bracket. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.